Hello everyone, this is Caitlin, also known as Curlsbythedozen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a video using products I received in my January 2020 CurlBox. If you don't know what CurlBox is, it is a monthly subscription that sends you natural hair products every month for $25, $20 plus $5 shipping. In the January 2020 CurlBox, I received products from the brand Cantu, and I'm excited to try them out with you all tonight. I shampooed and I conditioned my hair with the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner with avocado oil and shea butter. It's supposed to moisturize and soften dry, brittle hair, and it is also sulfate free, so these are the two products. I would definitely say I like the shampoo. It left my hair feeling clean but not stripped of moisture, and it was sulfate free, which was also a plus for me as well. I would also say that the conditioner was also pretty great. I like that it was very creamy and thick, and it also made my hair a lot easier to detangle. I left it in for about 10 minutes and then I proceeded to detangle with the detangling brush, also in my CurlBox as well. And I feel like it works very well. It reminded me of my Denman brush. The Cantu brush is similar to the Denman brush in style, of course, and in feel, except I feel like the Cantu detangling brush has more firm bristles that will glide through the hair rather than moving like the Denman brush does at times. Hopefully that makes sense. As you can see, right now I have my hair in 4 sections, and now I will be applying the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Curl Activator with avocado oil and shea butter. This product is supposed to define and soften my hair for frizz-free curls. The consistency of the curl activating cream is very thick. So I'm going to undo one of my 4 sections and I'm going to apply it. I have to say the curl activator is extremely creamy and my hair feels very moisturized, as well as my hands. So if you're looking for a product that's going to make your curls pop and also keep your hair moisturized, this might just be something you would like to try. My hair is damp, it's not soaking wet right now, so I'm sure if my hair was more wet, the curls would be even more popping, but once I go on to the next styling product, I will add more water to my hair. This product is super moisturizing. My hands, it's thick. You can still see it on my hands right now. One thing I don't like about doing my hair is when my hands get super slippery and then I can't squeeze the bottles or get products out like I'd like to. That's why I really enjoy products that have pumps. It makes my life a lot easier. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like after applying the curl activator. And my hair is extremely soft, and it feels very hydrated. Let's move on to the gel. The next product I have that I will be using to style my hair today is the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Gel with avocado and shea butter. and it has a flexible hold, and it is also alcohol free, which is always a good thing. I will be doing a wash and go. So for now, I have my water and I've already sectioned off some hair, so we will begin. I'm gonna spray a little water on my hair because for my wash and goes, I like my hair to be pretty wet, and it makes the product really penetrate more. Oh, okay, now the curl activator is super popping. Okay, I'm not mad at this at all. So the curl activator really decided to pop after I added that water. Okay, so I'm going to get some of the gel. It's a regular gel consistency. It's nothing too crazy or out of the ordinary. And I'm going to apply it to my hair. Okay, come on, length. Make it a little bit more. And apply it from root to ends. Okay. So here's what we have. Now I will be taking my handy dandy Denman brush just for styling. And I'm going to brush through and see what we have here. If you aren't new to my channel, then you know I'm not afraid of shrinkage of anything. I love when my hair shrinks up. The product is supposed to have avocado oil and shea butter, and I feel like the scent does reflect that. It's a very, very light scent. So now I'm going to add a little water to this section. So now I'm going to take some gel and I'm going to apply it to the section of hair, working my way through with my hands. See, these curls look really, really, really good. This gel is reminding me of Eco Styler. If I'm being completely honest, it's giving me Eco Styler vibes, and I'm not mad at it. You know when you can just tell that your hair is gonna turn out well? I'm having one of those moments right now, and I didn't even get that far. I'm gonna take my Denman brush, go through the hair. This is what we have here. I haven't used products from Cantu in a very long time, so I'm excited to see what my results are gonna be and what you all think. If you have this CurlBox, if you've tried Cantu before, please let me know down in the comments your thoughts about Cantu. In the meantime, I am going to finish up my hair and come back when I am almost done. Hello everyone, so I am back and I am on my last section of hair. Honestly, I think that this curl activator that's in my hair can be a standalone product. If you're someone that's into volume and definition, which most of us curly girls are, I am almost certain this product will give you both of those things if you wanted to use it alone. I'm using the curl activator along with the gel because I don't have the leave-in that didn't come in this box. However, there is a leave-in with this line, so I'd be interested in seeing how the leave-in works with the gel. All the items in this box were crazy. I couldn't believe that this CurlBox had so many items in it. And I will show you all the items tomorrow when I give you my final thoughts. Now that I'm done styling my hair, I'm gonna go to bed and I'm gonna come back tomorrow when my hair is fully dried and give you my final thoughts of the product, as well as show you what else I got in my January 2020 CurlBox. Hello everyone, so I am back. My hair is dried and as you can see, it looks really cute. But now I want to get into what was in my January 2020 CurlBox. The first products I used for my CurlBox were the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner with avocado oil and shea butter. I really love the conditioner and the shampoo. I feel like they were really good products and they did what they said they were going to do. They're supposed to moisturize and soften dry, brittle hair, and my hair definitely felt moisturized and soft afterwards. So Cantu, you did a good job. The next product I used from my January 2020 CurlBox was the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Curl Activator with avocado oil and shea butter. As I said previously, this product really works very well on its own. I applied it to damp hair and my curls started to pop a little bit, but after I applied water, my hair was super defined as if I put a gel or some type of curl cream on it. So if you want volume and less hold, this is definitely a product I would recommend for somebody that likes twist outs or doesn't like a firm hold on their hair. This is a really good product. I also received the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Gel with avocado oil and shea butter with flexible hold, and it's also alcohol free. This gel was really great. It reminded me of an Eco Styler gel except better ingredients, so this is a great product. My hair doesn't have a cast. At first it did, but after I started to play with it a little bit, the cast quickly went away and my curls are super defined. And I also have a good amount of shrinkage, which I don't mind at all. And I use my Denman brush, so definitely that made my hair shrink up a lot more than it would if you just use your fingers to apply product. Next in my CurlBox was this detangling brush. I really like this brush. It was great for detangling. I would say better than my Denman brush, but I do think I prefer my Denman brush for styling. So if you want a good detangling brush, I would recommend. I liked it. I also received this double row pick in my January 2020 CurlBox to fluff up my hair, lift my hair at the roots without causing too much frizz or tension on the hair by using my fingers or pulling my hair down. The next product in my January 2020 CurlBox was the extra hold elastic hook bands, and these would be great for puffs. I personally never used these before, but I'm excited to try them out. So if you're not following me, follow me on Instagram at Curlsbythedozen. And there's still more. So the next thing I got were these accent charms, and if you know anything about the natural hair community, these little hair accessories have been really popular lately. So they came in gold and silver and they're really cute. So if you're into adding some accessories to your hair, it would be really cute for like an updo or a half up, half down style, or maybe some twists on the side of your hair. Really cute. And last but not least, I got this head wrap, and I took the packaging off because I wanted to try it on. And it's black, super cute. It's very soft, stretchy material. And that was it for this CurlBox. My CurlBox also came with this, the brochure, detailing what was inside the CurlBox. Overall, I would say I really liked my results, and I really think CurlBox is a good way to get products for your natural hair for cheaper than buying a whole line of products when they first come out. And also, I think another benefit of subscribing to CurlBox is you get brand new products majority of the time before they even hit the shelves. So I would definitely recommend if you're a product junkie just like me. And of course, I did another wash and go But as you all know, I am definitely a wash and go girl, so this is no surprise. I think the hair came out really pretty. Overall, I would say this was a successful wash and go, and Cantu really came through with these products, as well as CurlBox. This is a really great box. I've never seen a CurlBox with so many products, so I'd highly recommend. I'm very excited to see how my hair looks and feels throughout the week. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel, comment what your thoughts are on these products and if you plan to purchase them, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.